Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is kind of a more basic video because we're going to be doing the trick called F-later. It's my throw-off version of the trick elevator, and it looks like this. This will not score you anything in the competition, it's just a fun trick. So the first step you want to do, get into your trapeze. It's a very simple trick, and all you're going to do is spread the looped side open wide, and kind of have your hand with the yo-yo attached to it down lower, and just kind of let go and have it rest on your other hand. Now you want to get the string that's attached to your yo-yo finger as close as you can to the yo-yo, so it has a little bit of slack tension right there. And all you want to do then is just slide that loop on your wrist right off and pull it up. My yo-yo kind of died there, so that's why it spun. It usually doesn't spin. But yep, that's been the trick. Have any questions, comments, anything, throw it down there. Leave a like, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video.